Hello everyone, we are from Group 4 and will present dialogue about fairy tale. And my member,
My name is Cindy Octaviusa.
My name is Santana Mata.
my name is Rajatin Putra.
My name is Angela Dia Putri. My name is Putri Azahra.
Happy watching. Excuse me, miss. I see you having a problem to finding something.
It's very kind of you. Thanks so much. Could you help me to find a map?
Okay, I will finding and gift it to you. Miss.
Thanks you.
Yes.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. We are looking for a birthday gift.
Sure. Who is for? It's our friend C. Lansbrook. Would you like me to show our best-selling?
Wow, be helpful. Thank you.
Of course, you also wrap it as a gift. Of course, I'll wrap it for free.
Thank you so much. It's very kind of you.